Just 2 ingredients. After this, you won't need to buy yogurt again. In a pot, add a liter of milk. Let it sit until it starts to boil. This is the perfect point. Turn off the heat and add room temperature milk. Now, let's mix it well. Add 350 g natural yogurt. Mix again, cover and let it rest for 12 hours. I'll leave it in this pot. After that time, our yogurt will be ready. Look how amazing it is. To make it even better, I'll put it in a blender. I'll add strawberry tang, some strawberries, and blend well. Remember, you can use any flavor you like. See how incredible it looks? Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this. Another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hugs to you all. Until next time. Thanks, folks.